Grips are going to give you some options in Plant 3D to help making your modeling and modifications of your model just a little bit easier. Let's take a look at it. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we can do with pipe. First, we'll kind of click on this elbow right here, and you'll see right here you have the substitution. You can substitute the elbow for another elbow. I want to go ahead and take this elbow out so we can actually modify the pipe a bit. You'll see that you have a couple of different grips here. One is that you can actually continue pipe routing, and the other here is that you can move the part. If you notice in your dynamic input, you actually have a length there that you can use. So if you select the move part, you can actually put in a new distance for that piece of pipe. Now, if you select and then you go by the part that says continue pipe routing, well then using the compass to determine your angle and your dynamic input, what you're actually doing is adding another piece of pipe into the model. So you see this is actually a different piece of pipe. Okay, now this also works with fixtures, pipe supports. They all have grips. Different parts are going to have grips in different ways, but let's take a look at a couple of options that you have with maybe a valve. If you notice here, you have a substitute. Let's go ahead and substitute that. Maybe we want to make that a gate valve and swap that out. Let me get that a little clearer here. If we select that again, let's put in a ball valve. Maybe we might want to move that down on the pipe a little bit or move it up. We can use this grip right here to flip it around. Maybe we want the handle in a different place. You might want to flip it inline. And then of course we can always use our compass to rotate it. So as you can see, grips give you a lot of options for your modeling. Don't be afraid to use them, because it's going to make your modeling go a lot smoother and quicker.